Meaning of forwardness.
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 Forwardness. Forwardness refers to the quality of being open, confident, and assertive. A person who displays forwardness exhibits a willingness to take initiative, express their opinions, and pursue their goals without hesitation. This can be seen as a positive trait, as it allows individuals to be proactive in their personal and professional lives, and can help them to achieve success. However, it's important to balance forwardness with sensitivity and consideration for others, as excessive assertiveness can be seen as aggressive or domineering. Overall, forwardness can be a valuable asset when used appropriately.